Hi everyone, I'm just sharing my Joyride trip experience in this video. Actually, this is my second time to ride a Joyride. Mukhang nag-enjoy ako and I feel convenient kaya I tried again. So papasok na ako ng work at this time. Along the way, enjoy naman. Pero nagtataka ako despite na naka-waste si kuya, sa iba niya dinaan. Last time na sumakay kasi ako, hindi dito ang daan. Good luck sa long trip. I'm not saying na si rider ang may problema dito. The main reason that causes this long trip is the app that he is using. To be honest, I'm so worried at this time na baka malate ako kasi nga long trip yung nangyari. Sa lahat na naging joyride experience ko, parang eto yung medyo hindi ako nasatisfied. Let's go and let's talk about more about this. The riders using a Waze app to navigate our trip para makaiwas sa mga traffic and then at the same time makahanap ng mga alternative road to shorten our travel time. However, the expectations weren't met. Based from the information that I've gathered, karakter talaga ni Waze na magbigay ng napakahabang route makaiwas man lang sa traffic. That's good na nakaiwas ka sa traffic, pero there is a disadvantage at the other side. Moving forward, to avoid this kind of incidents, I do recommend to use Google Map. Google Maps is equipped with a road planner, a specialized search engine used to determine the best route between two or more specified locations, occasionally combining several modes of transportation. Searches can be enhanced based on a variety of factors, including cheapest, fastest, shortest, and fewest adjustments, which users may determine the best route to go by car, bus, foot, or bicycle. Waze only offers a small set of features. Its focus is only on driving and riding directions. Unlike the Google Maps, which has a wide range of functions, like provides satellite imagery, aerial photography, street maps, 360-degree interactive panoramic views of streets or street view, and real-time traffic conditions. At last, nakarating na din ako ng safe.
Ha?
30 na lang. Marami dito. Nakaabang din yung mga ano. Mali-mali yung directions na binibigay ni Waze. So long ride kami. Tapos sa iba pa ako binaba ni kuya. Anyway, so late na ako. See you.